All right, so there we got it, guys. We have 9 and 13. So I will have more giveaway, guys, in the future. So thanks for answering, guys. Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So it's a rainy day. It's raining. So last like 3 days. I'm over it. But anyway, so I selected the winners already. I used random, and you can see who the winners are. So I'm heading to the post office now to mail off the journals. And I'd like to tell, thanks to everybody that entered. There'll definitely be more giveaways in the future. And just thanks for the support. Yeah. So I'm gonna go do some reading. I'm out of breath. And I only walked 2 blocks. Yikes. So yeah, guys. So guys, you see a couple of hours in there. I have about 30 pages to go. So I'm gonna go home, get something to eat, read it, and I'm gonna review it for you guys because I'm a bit surprised. But this freaking rain needs to stop all day. So yeah, that's what I do on a chill day. I like coffee shops because it's not crowded, especially in a weekday when, especially the bad weather, it's definitely not crowded. But yeah, heading home. I'm hungry. I'm trying to figure out what to cook. But yeah. So guys, I am home. A little tired. But it's a chill day. I love chill days when you could just read. And the coffee shop I was in, never been there before. That was my first time. I like it, but it didn't give me the vintage charm. Like the other two, they use a lot of old furniture, mixed match. It was too uniform in there, but it was quiet because I read 80% of this book in there. So this book is about 243 pages, and when I got there I was only on page, I think 70 something. Yeah, and I was there for a couple of hours and I read it. So with that said, let's talk about this book. Now this is my second LaJill hunt, and I would have to say I don't know why I'm at this point because I really actually like this book. I didn't think I was going to like it once I got into it, but this is like another one of what I call variety show situation, because it is basically a town, and in this town you have a town, what am I saying? It's a neighborhood. So it's a neighborhood and all these people that live in the neighborhood. So we're talking old money, new money, different form of career, and they're primarily black, but they have this, there's one particular white guy on the block that has a history, but he's not known. So they don't really know each other. Some of them are new to the block, some been there for a while, but they all millionaires, and they all are somewhat known in the world. We have like a pastor, he's like a mega minister, and he has twin sons, and they're just totally opposite, and his wife, and they're playing that role well. And then you have a former child star that basically did an adult video, and so she has a reputation now. You have a big time singer. Back in the days he was known, but he still has not realized that his fame is not the way it used to be. And a model, and this model is pretty much a well-known model. She's a supermodel and all that. And they all have their siblings that's in this and all these other stuff that's going on. But it's basically you on a block, all these houses, and you're hearing their story, what's going on in their household, their personal relationship with their family, career, and then what connects them is a fire happened to one of them house, and then that's where you kind of see a bit of a crossover in communication and interaction, especially this one particular person on the block that wanted to bring on, you know, the barbecue. You know, when black folks just love them some barbecue. So this is where that comes in here. This, however, ended on a cliffhanger, because we don't know who started the fire, truly started the fire. The person was revealed at the end, but you're kind of not sure what the heck is going on. So I was just like, here goes another author who is sucking me into a series, because you got to read the next book to really get why that whole fire started in the first place, because we still don't know why the fire started. We just know that it connects people, but why the hell the fire started, really? So I gotta read the freaking second book. Not happy about that part, because I just feel like this could just added like 50 more pages and end the damn book. Like, I didn't think it needed to be a series, but I don't know why they keep doing this to me. Sucking me into a freaking series. So yeah, guys, so this is my chill day and third book of the month. I don't know what I'm picking up next, because I do want to read Girl, Woman, Others, but then I want to read Get a Life, Chloe, and then I want to read the Holland Hoover, can't even say her name right now, Colin Hoover. I've read all her books she's released, you know, since 2012, so I need to get on to her new one, which I heard is pretty good. So I don't know yet. We'll see in the next few minutes when I eat something what I'm in the mood for. But I'm definitely going to pick something else up tonight. So yeah, guys. Yeah, private property. Oh, jeez. I did like it, though. I did like it. I just wish it wasn't a freaking series situation. Yeah. So yeah, guys. I am going to cut this video now. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.